Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Science. In this video today, I'll be telling you about an AI tool which is called MindStudio.ai. So this AI tool, you can use it as a Chrome extension. So inside this AI tool, there are multiple AI agents, means there are like many AI agents that can help you get things done. So I'll be telling you all about this AI tool, so stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss anything regarding it. So let's get right into it. So inside there are AI agents that can help you get things done. So there's also the Chrome extension also which you can install and use it on any website that you want with just the click of a button. So you have the free Chrome extension. The Chrome extension is free. You can also browse the AI agents, that what type of AI agents they are. Scrolling down, you can see some free AI agents that you can see here, such as quick summary, in which the long content is turned into a summary. And then there's a fact checker to verify the claims with confidence. You can also, there's a please explain one also, in which the selected text or the entire web page it explains to you in simple terms. And there's the subtext scanner, means any hidden meanings and context you can uncover that. There's also the researcher. For example, there's a thorough research. You can even summarize YouTube video. Sentiment analysis, like the audience reactions you can understand. Even there's who's involved, people finder. There's find product alternatives. For example, any product that you want, so the similar products of that you can find the alternatives of it. So there are many AI agents also, and it's powering 100,000 plus AI agents at leading organizations. You can also build custom agents, no coding skills needed. So you can create sophisticated workflows with language, image, voice models without writing a line of code. So you can also build AI agents, so they are your personal task force, and anything that you want it does for you. So here AI agent is transforming businesses of all sizes. So let's see what type of AI agents do they have. So AI agents, there is for research if you want. So there, here you can see there are multiple agents for research, for analyzing content, for creators if you want the content into a LinkedIn post, you can do that. Even you can transform the videos into SEO ready articles. Even there's for students. For students, you can see there are many agents which are for students, such as, for example, rephrase this, create study guide. For YouTube also, if you're a content creator, like if you're a YouTuber, then you can use this multiple AI agents for your YouTube video, in which you can analyze the content, in which you can analyze the comments. You can even transform your video into an X thread. So there's also for venture capitalists, image generation if you want anyone to generate a YouTube thumbnail or icons or even illustrations. So there's image generation. There's also for developers. So you can see here there are some of the agents that you can see, multiple agents that you can have a look at. You can also build your agent. And after having a look at the AI agents, you can click on build agents. There are some solutions also, like for enterprise, developers, partners, and also the pricing also. You can have a look at that. What pricing is it? Like there are multiple AI agents and what kind of pricing they are offering. So let's have a look at, and for example, there might be some limits also, like rate limits also, something like that. So here they say for community, it's $0 per month plus usage cost. So you can use 10,000 free runs per month. So per month, 10,000 runs you can do, because if you look at the agents, next to it there's a run button. So when you click on the run button, so that's one run, it's called one run. So here there's 10,000 free runs per month. And for example, if you have like run out of 10,000 free runs per month, then you have to pay this much dollar, $0.002 per additional run. And also there's also access to over 50 AI models, and third-party service also provides some AI models also, such as from OpenAI, Anthropic, and even from Mistral. So from those companies also, they give the access to over 50 AI models and third-party services. You have the full API access and community support in Discord. And if you want it for business, then you need to click on contact us. And if you want it for your business, then you can click on contact so that you know what the price is. So there's usage based prices if you want to use these kind of models. So there are prices of it. For example, Amazon Nova Micro, Amazon Nova Lite, Amazon Nova Pro. So you can see here the prompt, the pricing of it, and the response means the input pricing and the response pricing. So you can have a look at it. And there's also anthropic models are given, and you can have a look at the prices. So you can see here many models have been given for anthropic. There's also Cohere. So for Cohere also the prices is given. For DeepSeek also, but DeepSeek there's R1 and DeepSeek V3. DeepSeek V3 and DeepSeek R1 is given. So there's also Google AI models also. In that also you can have a look at the prices. There's also for Meta Llama, also that, then Mistral, and there's also OpenAI, the AI models for OpenAI. There's also even GPT 4.5 also. So you can see here for 1 million tokens, what is the pricing for O3 mini, for O1 preview, O1, O1 Pro. There's also Perplexity and Rika. So you can see here there are some of the AI models that you can use, and this is the usage prices. And also for image also, there are some of the AI models such as Amazon Nova Canvas and Stable Diffusion, Ideogram, and also from OpenAI Stability AI. And there's also text to speech, in which there are four: OpenAI TTS, 11 Labs, 11 Labs TTS. Image analysis also, there are the AI models given. For additional services also, there are some AI models given, and the pricing of it is given. So you can see here there are some of the models which are given, and the prices also are written next to it. Now let's have a look at the Chrome extension. So if you click on this Chrome extension, so when you go to this website, so when you click on Chrome extension, so you come to this website and then you click on add to Chrome, and then after adding to Chrome, you click on continue to install. After continue to install, you click on add extension. So then after that, what happens is that it says that MindStudio has been added to Chrome, and then you can click on this, and so you can, after that, you can turn on the extension to use it if you want, and you can have a look at it that MindStudio has been added. So you can see here his video is running, and this is also one of the famous YouTubers video. And if I click on this, for example, if you want to analyze it, so let's see what kind of agents are they given. Okay, so it's YT2 article, there's deep research. Let's see if I go for, there's also for creators, and there's also one for YouTube also. Yeah, analyze content also. There's analyze content if you want to analyze any content. There's also for students. Yeah, this was for YouTube. This is specifically for YouTube. These are the AI agents. There's also for analyze comments. For example, if I want to take this YouTube topic, video topic, so let's see whether what are the audience reactions. So whether it's positive or negative or it's just normal. So let's have a look at it. So you can see the AI agent is working. Let's see what does it say about it. So it's analyzing this one. Okay, so it's the agent is starting, there's background message, so you can see it's working. So let's see what it will say. It's taking kind of a little bit time, not that much time, it's taking a little bit time. So now it has been done. So let's see here. Okay, so the overall sentiment towards the video is overwhelmingly positive. Viewers are impressed with the capabilities of Gemini 2.5 Pro and its ability to generate code and content. Okay, so you can see here the discussed topics, which was discussed, the key statements. Okay, I just made like 90% of it with a single prompt. Oh, so the comments are more positive rather than negative. So even the top participants, you can see the people who have commented, the top participants. So that's cool. Let's have a look at another AI agent. So let's see, for example. Okay, for example, if I want some main points. Okay, so the key features, the showcases, the model specs. So it gave some little bit points or the summary of it. Not summary, So it gave some little bit points of it, the key points or the main points on this from this video. Okay, so let's analyze my video. For example, if I want to create the from the transcript, the summary. So let's see, I'll click on this AI agent, and then inside this AI tool or AI agent, not AI agent, inside this AI tool, there are multiple AI agents. For example, if I click on this, generate summaries. So let's click on this. For example, if I want to create a summary of it from the transcript, from the YouTube video transcript. So let's see how does this agent works. Let's see what does it do. Okay, so the background message, of course, it's taking a little bit time, but not that much time. So now you can see the results have been given. So this is the introduction, the overview of it. So it's like kind of explain what are the key takeaways, and it has multilingual capabilities. So all the things that it has given the whole summary from the video transcript. So you can see here all the things that in the video that is talked. So it has made a summary and give it to it. And you can also download it also. Like you can download this whole summary if you want, you can download it. So you can see how many multiple agents you can see there are, and you can also convert it into an article. You can also convert it into viral X thread. So many things it can do. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe, and do tell me in the comments whether you think that this AI tool is an amazing AI tool or not. So that's all from my side. Catch you next time. Bye bye.